Hey guys, today in Kiwanna's kitchen, I'm going to share with you all on how I make delicious oven-baked Lipton onion chicken legs. Guys, when I say these are so good, they are just that. So, the first thing I did was clean my chicken. Okay, you got to make sure that chicken is clean. And then I scored my chicken. And what the scoring is going to do, guys, it's going to help that seasoning that you use on your chicken get all throughout your chicken and not just flavor the top of the chicken, but it's going to flavor the inside of the chicken. Okay, so trust me when I say scoring your chicken is where it's at. So like I said, I got all of that done. And also guys, I'm going to be using my homemade Lipton onion soup mix in my recipe here. If you guys didn't get a chance to check out that video, I will post the link here above for you to go on over and check that out. So now I'm just going on with my olive oil, my house seasoning. I'm going on with this chicken fajita seasoning, guys, that I use all the time. I tried this on my chicken breast before when I made chicken fajitas, and when I say it bring out the flavor in your chicken and it tastes so good, it does just that. Okay, so now there's where I'm adding on my homemade Lipton onion soup mix. So like I told you guys, you can check out that link back there and it'll take you right to the recipe. So I'm just going to give this a good rub, and I did add a packet of Szechuan seasoning on here as well. And as you guys know, that Szechuan is going to enhance the flavor of all of your seasonings that you use all together on your chicken, okay, as well as give it that nice bright like orange color, you know, like what paprika do. But yeah, it's going to give it a really pretty color. So I did have my oven set to couldn't even get that out. I had my oven set to 375, and we're going to bake these chicken legs for about 45 to 50 minutes, or when you see that they become fork tender. Now once they got done, guys, I did serve these with some rice and corn. Look at those, guys, which is what my kids love. Okay, so that is pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.